Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, go down to the notification style and then tap on FaceTime. Next, in here at the top, tap on the Allow Notifications toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is switched on, there are various settings that you could change, such as your notification delivery, always deliver immediately with time-sensitive notifications. And then you got the alerts type, you got lock screen, notification center, and banners. And that's it. You can also change the sound of your notification for FaceTime. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.